During the installation process of the electronic shelf label, it may fall to the ground. Even if it is installed on the rail, the display of the ESL tag may be hit by the shopping cart or external forces. Electronic price tags with both anti-collision and anti-drop properties can greatly reduce customer losses, reduce after-sales costs, and improve customer satisfaction. YalaTech product team used the 3-meter drop test as a standard to manufacture our small-sized electronic price tags. This is the highest standard on a global scale. The ESL tag in the video is a 2.66-inch digital label. The label works normally after dropping. YalaTech electronic shelf label adopts a protective cover with 4H hardness, and the inside display would not be damaged by external shocks. If you are looking for a professional electronic shelf label manufacturer, please contact us. We are happy to share our product information to help your business.